Hi, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com. Just finished building this beautiful 350 Chevrolet 440 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1972 Chevelle. Go over some of the highlights on our engine build. We started with a late model 4-bolt main block, 1-piece rear main seal, double roller timing chain, brand new timing cover and balancer, roller lifter camshaft, AFR aluminum cylinder heads, proper oil pan for the 72 Chevelle. Engine block painted to black with the brass freeze plugs in there. It's real nice Taylor ignition wires in blue with all the wire markers on there. All the roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set. These real nice Chevrolet valve covers. Polished intake manifold. Thermostat housings on there. Thermostats installed. Quick fuel carburetors on there. Throttle return spring. Throttle cable bracket. And we have the MSD ignition coil, small cap distributor on there. It's real important for the 72 Chevelle for firewall clearance right here. Braided PCV ventilation line on there. Correct automatic flex plate for the customer's TH400 transmission. Proper tooth count and balance for the 350 Chevrolet. High torque mini starter on there. Chrome dipstick and tube. High flow fuel pump. Customer wanted the braided fuel lines. We installed all the braided fuel lines, all the proper fittings, chrome fuel line up to the carburetor, gas filters installed. It's real nice wraptor serpentine pulley kit, heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt, self-tensioning belt tensioner on here, high flow reverse rotation aluminum water pump, 160 amp 1-wire hookup alternator, GM Type 2 power steering pump on there. We'll supply the remote reservoir and the power steering line kit for the 72 Chevelle here. Every engine is live run at the engine factory and fully tested for over 45 minutes. You're going to get a video of your engine running in the stand. You're going to see the manifold vacuum reading, the water temperature, oil pressure cold and hot. I'll set the idle mixture screws on the carburetor, tune them in perfectly, set the ignition timing for you. The engine will be drop-in ready to go right out of the crate. So again, this is our 350 Chevrolet 440 horsepower polished package engine with the polished intake manifold, ready to go. Thanks for watching.